Hello everyone, welcome to Cheeky Chess. I am your coach SIH. In this introductory session, I would like to share my chess story. I started playing chess when my father taught me and my sisters at the age of 5. Since then, this beautiful and captivating game has been a big part of my life. Over the years, I have played many games, winning some, losing others, but after some point, I understood that to excel in your game and become a pro, you have to understand the fundamentals and principles in chess. So, always learning the concept is the key. So, remember this. The amazing thing about chess is you can study it your whole life and still find new mysteries every day. Even your first lesson can reveal the true beauty of the game. If you are new to chess or want to become a chess pro, get ready for a great journey. The best way to approach chess is to understand position patterns, not just limit yourself to memorizing quick tricks and traps. If you look for the connection between life and chess, they are all around us. So it's not just a game of memorizing some cool tricks and traps. So you have to understand the fundamentals. After going through the Cheeky Chess learning series here, you will find that these lessons will become part of your intuition. So you won't have to memorize every move. The chessboard will become your creative playground. So before we start, a few tips. Remember this, growth happens when you face challenges. This course will stretch your mind, so don't worry if you get stuck or forget something. Many times the solution will come like a sudden aha moment. Once again, I repeat, the goal isn't perfection but steady growth. We will focus on steady growth. And a quick fun tip. There are many chess learning channels and web teachings out there on social media, but the best one to choose, which I recommend, is not always the fancy edited videos with cool tips, tricks and traps. I followed those where you can understand the chess fundamentals and the teaching is in a clear sequence, not just fancy animated videos with tips and tricks. With that, welcome to the black and white jungle.